In this video, I'm going to show you how to make roasted chicken using broasted chicken mix. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the newer notifications. Take a bowl, add half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, mix it well. One teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt according to taste. Dip all the chicken pieces. You can also steam the chicken pieces for 8 to 10 minutes and then do this step of marinating here. Marinate at least 1 hour. Here for coating we need 2 beaten eggs and Broast chicken mix powder. Firstly, coat using beaten eggs and then on chicken mix powder. Deep fry on low to medium flame until they are golden crisp in color. Once they are done, you can remove from the flame. If you like my recipe, then give it a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. Let's meet in our next video. Until then, bye bye.